Good evening, everyone. This creating a basic school system involving classes for people in a school environment, such as teacher, student, and staff, or more. This is base class for all people in the school system. We have a self-name, self-age, and self-role. And if introduce self, return if hi I am, then self-name and rule. This is a teacher class inherits from person. We have a diff in it, self, name, age, subject, years of experience. Super in it, name, age, and teacher. We have a self subject, self, years of experience. Then we have a diff introduced the the teacher class. Return if hi I am, then we have a self name and self subject, and last is year of experience. Then student class inherits from person, and we have a self name, age, grade level, course, and school. Self grade level, self course, and self school. And same as a teacher class, we introduced the self of grade level, course, and school, or name, age, then return if hi I am, then self name, and I am a, then next is grade level or your college student, and studying, self course, and school, name of the school. Then attend class for belong and studying class. We have a if subject and self course. Return if self name is standing then the subject class. Else return if self name is not enrolled and the subject. And last is staff class inherits from person. Class staff. Self name, age, department, and rule. We have a super in it, name, age, staff, and self department, and self rule. And introduced, return if hi I am, then self name of the staff, and work or department of staff, and rule. Return if the for performing of duties, and rule and department of the staff. Creating instance of each class. Teacher, the name and age and course and your experience. Course or the teach of teacher. Then student, name, age, your level or grade level, course, and school. Staff, name, then department, and work. Then this is the print of all the I mentioned the teacher, class, and this is the all output of my class. We have a teacher class, student class, staff class, and thank